wanted to talk to you today about an application called Matterport 3D Showcase. Hang on, before you leave thinking I already know about Matterport 3D Showcase, let me tell you something that you may not know. 3D Showcase is not only being used to show off your digital twins to clients. Of course, a really great use case is taking 3D Showcase, downloading some potential homes for your buyer, and meeting them at a coffee shop, for example, and showing them those homes before going out to see them. That way, the client can already know which homes they want to visit that day and save you and them a lot of time. But did you know that 3D Showcase is also being used by a lot of agents to win more listings? Remember that Matterport is a very visual and immersive platform and tool. You should always carry your iPad with you. It's not recommended in this case to use an iPhone because the screen is just not big enough. It's a lot more impactful if you use an iPad. In any social gathering, always have your iPad out with 3D Showcase open as you're looking through some digital twins. This is a great conversation starter. 3D Showcase comes bundled with a ton of featured digital twins that you can download and have available at any time. You should always allow 3D Showcase to do what it does best, which is excite and immerse its audience. Anybody looking over your shoulder, seeing you go through that digital twin is going to be captivated and is going to start asking questions. But the only way for that to happen is to have your iPad out with 3D Showcase open.